Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter 12 and chapter 13. As you have seen or attended these online lectures, correct? I can say most of you were able to understand, but some of you had still problems in understanding what exactly is simple present, present continuous and present perfect tense. So today I am going to tell you something about this only. So instead of solving the queries, let us understand how to solve the queries. Correct? So here it is here. Let us begin with simple present tense. In simple present tense, we learn about subject plus V1 plus object. Then we learn about subject plus do or does not plus not plus object, and then do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object. So you have already learned about this and you know it. But some of you are still having a problem. Okay, in simple present tense, we don't use is, am, are, have, has. Okay, we will use it, but not in this formula. Not in this formula, as I have already explained you. So now subject plus V1 what? Before understanding this, you know that what exactly is simple present tense. Simple present tense means whatever the action that we do regularly. Correct? Suppose I come to school at 8 o'clock in the morning. I am coming every day. So this is my habitual action, or this is my habitual working, which I come every day to school. So when you want to tell about the action that you are doing regularly, correct? Then only we can use simple present tense. This much you understood? Very good. So now you can see here, I play cricket. So you have understood here, I play cricket. So there is no problem of such thing. When you talk about negative sentence, we say, I do not play cricket. Correct? And interrogative, in order to ask a question, we say, do I play cricket? Now you see here, I haven't used is, am or are. I have just used subject, verb and object. But some of you, what you have done, you have written, I am a doctor. Very good. This sentence is correct. This sentence is correct, but there is no direct verb. There is no main verb. Am is there. This is there. This is a helping verb. Okay? But can you tell me, is there an action in this? Is there an action? I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I am a teacher. आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? आप जो है, you are a student. आप स्टूडेंट हो. तो इसकी जगह हम लोग एक सिंपल प्रेजेंट है उसको इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. करेक्ट? So this is a wrong in tenses. This is sentence is correct, but in the tense we don't use it. Understood? So this is all. Then let us see. We have already seen about me, you, they. You know, correct? Now about he. You can see here, he plays cricket. I play cricket, we play cricket, you play cricket, they play cricket. This is, I am just trying to solve your query. So you can see here, this will remain same everywhere. Only the subject will change and do not or does not will change. Otherwise everything will remain same. Now here we have added s. So whenever we talk about he, she, it or any name or any object singular, example book, we have taken. So now here he plays cricket, correct? Book shines nicely. She cries a lot. C-R-I-E-S. It shouts. S-H-O-U-T-S. Shouts. So he plays cricket, and negative what will become? He does not play cricket. And interrogative, does he play cricket? And again question mark. So you see here what we have done is he plays cricket, he does not play cricket. So here this S is added over here by es. That's why does. Here we have not used do, but still some of you are using do. He do. No, it is wrong. Most of your unit test paper you have done this mistake. It makes. Correct? She wears. She does not wear. Does she wear? That was your answer supposed to be in unit test. So my dear students, I hope you understood how exactly we have to use simple present tense. Correct? Now let us see the example over here. We shout a lot. So here it is an action. We do not shout a lot. And interrogative, do we shout a lot? Okay, my dear students, in similar ways you will have to understand the importance of this formula. Correct? Don't add is, am, are, have, has, and. Correct? Because we have to show the action. I can say I have a duster, but this is not an action. Okay? But when I say I clean with duster, so the word clean is showing us the action. Understood? Now let us move towards present continuous. But before that, let us understand again. Simple present tense we use for the daily routine and for the universal truth. In universal truth, you know, the sun rises in the morning. Rises. Correct? R-I-S-E-S. Now let us move towards present continuous tense. As this is one of your favorite tense. Correct? Most of you are writing this tense properly. So let us understand. So what is present continuous tense? Now present continuous tense means the action which we are doing right now. Correct? So here we are talking about present continuous. Continue means बोलते ना continue करो, चालू रखो. This is what. Correct? So what is the formula? Subject plus is or am or are plus verb ing plus object. Understood? Subject plus is, am, are plus verb ing. When we talk about present continuous tense, we need to keep it in mind. We use am, I am, we are, you are, they are, or plural, books are. Is, we use he is, she is, it is, Ramya is, Soham is, Pranjal is, Arav is, or duster is, mobile is working, correct? So that way we are talking about when we are talking about is and are. So let us take an example with I am standing in the line. I am standing in the line. I am standing in the line. At present I am standing, so I can say I am standing. Negative will be I am not standing in the line. An interrogative will come as am I standing in the line. So this one it is I am standing in the line. I am standing in the line. I am not standing in the line. Am I standing in the line? So this is the way you need to remember. Now what is the formula? Subject. Here we have written is, am, are plus not plus BING plus object. Here is, am, are plus subject plus BING plus object, and at the end question mark. So this is the thing that we need to keep it in mind when we are talking about present continuous tense. Let us take one more example of we are sharing our knowledge. We are sharing our knowledge. Now, we are not sharing our knowledge. And are we sharing our knowledge? So you can see here, it is very simple. When we are talking about present continuous tense, we can remember the things that when we are talking about present continuous tense, we need to talk about the action which is happening right now. Okay? There are other rules which are there how to use in future context that you will learn in next standard. But at present you need to learn is that present continuous means we are talking about the action which is happening right now. Understood? Next one is they are seeking permission. वो लोग परमिशन मांग रहे हैं, रिक्वेस्ट चल रही है, करेक्ट? दे आर सीकिंग परमिशन. दे आर नॉट सीकिंग परमिशन. करेक्ट? आर दे सीकिंग परमिशन? So in this way you will understand what exactly is the use of present continuous tense. Let us take example of is and are. Sorry, is. She is working hard. She is working hard. She is not working hard. And is she working hard? So she is working hard. She is not working hard. Is she working hard? So you can see here, when we talk about present continuous tense, we need to talk about the action which is happening right now. If I say you are watching grammar video just now, correct? So when you are opening your mobile and you are saying, okay, you are watching Arun sir teaching us grammar. So that is the thing, my dear students. It is with present continuous tense. Now let us understand what is present perfect tense. That is chapter 30. Now, I know that you will be able to understand this. It is very, very simple. Okay. What you need to do is, you need to pay attention to the words, to the videos. Once you pay attention to the video, you will be able to understand. So now let us see chapter 30. Present perfect tense. Now in my last online video, correct, if you have seen, I had explained about what is exactly present perfect tense. Even I have given you, okay, Monday you will get, with this video you will get all the answers of chapter 12 and chapter 30. Just because I know some of you are finding it difficult to write down the correct answers, though I had explained you. But now you can write those answers in your textbook properly. Now what is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is nothing but it is the tense where the action has taken place complete or action taken place complete. Correct? So what is the formula over here? Subject plus have or has plus be plus object. I have told you where we use have and has. We use have before after I have, we have, you have, they have. He has, she has, it has. V3 is nothing but past participle that I had explained you about present, past and past participle. How the verb is divided into these three categories: present, past, past participle. Present is played, past is played, past participle is played. Present is run, past tense is ran, and past participle is run. So with this, let us continue. Let us take similar example of we. We have, correct? We have collected stamps. We have collected stamps. अभी आपने कलेक्ट कर लिया है, आपके पास स्टैम्प्स कलेक्ट करके हो चुके हैं, आपका प्रोसीजर, आपका काम बंद हो गया है. So you have stopped working, you have got it, you have collected, and आपके पास है. Correct? So your action is completed. Then negative when we say subject plus have or has plus not plus be plus object. So same thing when we say that we have not collected stamps. यहाँ पे आपने एक्शन की नहीं है, एक्शन की नहीं है, बस आपने एक समय दिया था, लेकिन you have not completed. That's why you are saying in negative form, we have not collected stamp. अभी क्वेश्चन पूछना है, you have to ask a question. So have or has plus subject plus be plus object. अभी आप पूछ रहे हैं क्वेश्चन, आपने काम दिया था, आपको कंप्लीट किया है कि नहीं चेक कर रहे हैं. You are checking by asking a question. Have we completed? Have we collected stamps? So how it is simple? Have we collected stamps? Let us take another example. You have broken the glass. आपने ग्लास तोड़ा है, you have broken the glass. Correct? Action complete हो गई है. You came to know. Then अगर ग्लास नहीं तोड़ा है, I have not You have not broken the glass. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहोगे, now you are going to ask a question. Correct? Action हो चुकी है या नहीं? You want to find out. So, have you broken the glass? And again, question mark. So let us take one more example of has. He has visited Taj Mahal. He has visited Taj Mahal. So now, how to say it in negative? He has not visited Taj Mahal. He has not visited Taj Mahal. Then, has he visited Taj Mahal? So my dear student, it is nothing, it is not so difficult. Okay. Once you understand, because in the textbook, your exercise may not be in this manner. In this manner, it is not there. But this is the way in order to understand that exactly you have to write the proper answers. When it comes he, so you have to use has. When it comes you have to use have, and plus you have to use V3. So this is the way we need to understand how exactly is the understanding of these tenses. Okay, let us take one more example of I have done my work, my homework. Now here you see done, I use do, did, done. So I have taken this, action say do, I do my work, action say, then done. V3 is done. Then how can I say in singular? I have not done my work. I have not done my homework. Have I done my homework? So whenever we talk about this past perfect tense, you need to keep it in mind. We are talking about the action which has completed. We are talking about the action which has completed and no effect its effect is still there. Correct? Now yesterday you got a homework, so teacher will obviously ask you this question. Have you completed your homework? So your answer will be yes sir or ma'am, I have completed my homework. But if you not completed your homework, you will say ma'am, no, I have not completed my homework. Then you will give whatever your reasons are. So my dear students, along with this video I have given you all the answers of chapter 12 and 13. But try to understand these two chapters in this manner. Correct? When they say fill in the blanks by using present perfect tense, and they give example. Okay? She. Correct? आपको दिया है एक दिस सेंटेंस, she dash, one dash or two dash, it will be there and asking you to make it past perfect tense. So what you need to remember, she लिखा है, correct? यहाँ पे दिया है buy, so what is buy, bought. So she has bought a pen. So like this exercise which are there in the tense, in the textbook, so this is the way you need to understand. Okay my dear students, so I hope you will understand all these exercises of present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense and present perfect tense. Okay, try to write your answers properly now. Okay, whenever you have a doubt, refer to these videos. Okay, and you will be able to surely get benefits from this video to understand what exactly the tenses are. So my dear student, thank you so much. Okay, and do your studies properly. Thank you.